in nature with it. Out in nature. Oh man, with the wrong stuff on to be trying to do what I'm doing. But you know me. Ooh, somebody had glass down here. That's a bottle. But look at this. That's what I wanted to come down and look at. Don't wear shit like this if you do this. But look at that. That is just a big mushroom. So many of them. Isn't that cool? It's so pretty and unique. Something is definitely burying in there. Those holes. It's a big ant. No, I'm not gonna touch it, but anyways, that was so cool. Anyways, I just happened to be on the trail and saw it. I was like, I gotta stop by and look at this. There's a big ant there. This is the type of stuff when I go on these nature walks and I just be by myself hiking through. This is what I'm looking at. I like looking at this stuff. And then looking at how old these trees are. So, you know, obviously some have fallen, have died. This is dead. This used to be a tree that was standing up. And then this is where this beautiful mushroom, bouquet of mushrooms is just chilling where it used to stand. People have carved their names into the tree bark. That one over there especially, everyone's carving it up over there. But get out in nature. Shout out to my barber. Get out in nature though. Go blue. Go blue.